Hello, this is Ketan Thakur with Cinch Connectivity Solutions. I'm the Johnson Product Manager, and we're here at IMS in Boston 2026. Johnson is excited to present a number of new products here at the show, one of them being our 2.4 and 2.92 millimeter cable assemblies that are between series. So they're 292 and 24 on one end, and SMP, SMPM on the other end. So going as high as 50 gigahertz and providing very low loss performance in standard fixed lengths, 6 inches to 60 inches, 100 millimeter to 1 meter. Another product that we have here on display are our angled connectors. So we have both 45-degree angled, which is here. There's two here, 292 and 2.4 millimeter. And we also have on the board here a 30-degree angled part. So this goes from SMA up to 1.85 millimeters, so up as high as 67 gigahertz. So angled connectors support designs middle of the board or areas where there's a height restriction or end of board restriction, and so allows better performance, and also it helps the performance of your cable assembly since you're not flexing it as much. A third NPI, a new product introduction that we've launched in the last year, I have on the TV over here. So this third new product we also have launched from SMA to 1.85 millimeter, and this is the narrow profile. So it's a solderless connector solution, and the narrow part of this is about 0.3 inches by 0.3 inches, so 40% smaller than the standard solderless end launches that we had in the past. So really high performance, supports different board thicknesses, and up to 67 gigahertz. Thank you.